Today we will learn how to perform the daily maintenance for the GO Fuze sprayer. Loose and remove the sprayer from the GO Fuze bottle. Use a paper towel to prevent any solution leak from the tube. Then press the trigger to remove all liquid that remains inside. Do it in the fuse bottle to prevent liquid waste. Insert the spray trigger into a bottle filled with water. Once it's secured, press the trigger so the water will flow inside and wash it completely. Once it's clean, loose and remove the sprayer from the water bottle. Use a paper towel to prevent any water leak. Then press the trigger to remove all liquid that remains inside. Now that it's clean and empty, you can install it back on the fuse bottle. The fuse solution is now ready for the next application. For additional information, please visit us at www.graphics1.com. Send us an email to sales@graphics1.com or call us to 1-818-260-9591. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Graphics 1 videos.